In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your happy face into sad face in CapCut. We'll use CapCut's built-in AI tools to change a smiling portrait into a convincingly sad expression, all in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact path so you know where everything is and what to expect as the effect processes. Start by opening CapCut. Make sure you're using a version that includes AI features. The layout can look slightly different on desktop and mobile, but the labels you'll tap are the same. Give the app a moment to fully load so all effects are available. Next, add your image. Choose a photo where your face is clearly visible, ideally front-facing, with good lighting and minimal obstructions like sunglasses or heavy shadows. The clearer the features, the better the AI will detect landmarks such as the eyes, nose, and mouth, which is essential for changing expressions realistically. Once the image is on your canvas or timeline, confirm it's properly framed so your face isn't cut off. Now locate AI Stylize. This is CapCut's intelligent styling area that analyzes your photo and applies smart transformations. When you click AI Stylize, you may see a short loading prompt while it prepares the tools. That's normal. Just let it finish before moving on. Inside AI Stylize, find and click Expression. This category focuses specifically on facial emotion changes. You'll see options designed to alter mood while keeping your identity intact. Because it's targeted to expressions, it tends to preserve skin tone, hair, and background, concentrating most changes around the eyes, eyebrows, and mouth. Choose Sad Face. After you click it, CapCut will process the image and apply the expression. Processing time depends on photo size and your device, so don't tap away too quickly. When it completes, look closely at the corners of the mouth, the angle of the eyebrows, and the overall gaze. A believable sad look often includes slightly lowered eyebrows, a subtle downturn of the lips, and softened eye focus. If the result looks too subtle, try a photo with more even lighting or a clearer view of your face next time. AI needs strong facial cues to push the transformation convincingly. That's all you need to create a sad expression from a happy photo using CapCut. Open the app, add your image, click AI Stylize, open Expression, and select Sad Face. With a clean portrait and a few seconds of processing, you'll get a natural-looking transformation that's perfect for edits, memes, and creative storytelling. Thanks for watching, and enjoy experimenting with your expressions in CapCut.